be really rude not to. All right, we are out into the jungle. Is everybody excited? Glad to hear it. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. Might as well introduce myself. My name is Skipper Dylan, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we make it. Some rules first. Please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And be sure to watch your kids, because I'm not going to do it for you. Just make sure you're seated back there. Perfect. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. I know we're getting rained on through here. I know. I'm sorry. It's the rainforest after all, but I mean, we got to go this way. This is actually my shower for the month. And that's got to happen at some point. But let's move on from that. Up ahead on the right-hand side, we do have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. You know, I actually used to work over there. Yeah, but I just couldn't stand to see my career in ruins. Yeah, so instead I opted for this job where I tell jokes to a bunch of people that stare at me blankly. Kill me. And on the left-hand side, we have an ancient Cambodian shrine, of course, built by ancient Cambodian shriners. Oh, wow, check that out. That right there is an Indo-Chinese tiger. You know, those big kitties can actually jump up to 20 feet. But don't worry, we're a good 15 feet away, so it should go right over us. Oh boy, don't make any sudden moves. These right here are king cobras. They're known for shooting acid out of their eyes. Gnarly, huh? Weird though, they usually travel in packs of 4, but I'm only counting 3. You know what that actually reminds me? You guys towards the back of the boat, check around your feet. They love the heat of that engine there. I wouldn't worry about it too much, because I'm up here, but you guys, yeah, start worrying. Anyways, this right here is the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephant, and here they are sacredly bathing. Feel free to take as many photos and videos as you'd like, folks. They've all got their trunks on. Now, yesterday, that was a whole other story, and let me tell you, these guys are a bunch of sickos. Yeah, actually, some fun facts about elephants. Did you know they can grow up to 4 feet? Whereas us humans, we only grow the 2. Yeah, it's also at about a year of age when they start learning how to shoot acid out of their eyes. Crazy, huh? Uh-oh. That squirt, everybody. Hey, Squirt, it was super funny when you sprayed my last boat, but let's not this. Uh-oh. Guys, duck, duck, get sprayed. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. I actually slipped them a tenner earlier to play that prank on you. Worth every penny. What? Why are you guys screaming? It's like you saw an explosion or something. I promise you, nothing that cool happens out here in the jungle. Up ahead is actually our base camp. Anyone mind driving for a moment? All you do is you not crash and say whatever you want. It's awesome. You want to scratch that, forget I say anything. Looks like our camp's been overtaken by a bunch of gorillas. Oh, cute, a gorilla with a gun. A gorilla with a gun! Oh my goodness, let's get out of here. I want no part of that. That is insane. Oh man, but you know, now that we're to safety, you know what I'm thinking? Thinking I just saved your life. Yeah, and thank you is usually what comes after. Oh, no, it's far too late. But don't worry, you got plenty of opportunity to thank me for saving you. I mean, we're going to get into a lot of danger. All the time, folks, we're going to swerve out of the way. Alright, and here we are into the Nile River. It's actually the longest river in the world. It goes on for about 4,000 miles. But don't worry, this baby's so quick we'll get through in just a couple of minutes. Oh wow, check that out. Over on your left-hand side, that right there is an African bull elephant. Easily the rarest creature we have out here in the jungle. I mean, definitely take a picture of it, folks, because I bet you a lot of money we never ever see one of those again. Except for that one. Yeah. Anyways, folks, if you look to your left-hand side of the boat, deep into the jungle there, give it a good long look, you'll see absolutely nothing. Just want to give you a heads up on that. Don't look there. You know, the cool thing about the African bull elephant is they can actually shoot acid out of their eyes. So cool, huh? Yeah, I thought so too. Anyways, this right here is the African belt home to all of our African wildlife. I'll point some out to you. Yeah, so up on the hill we have some gazelles. Those on the right there, those are ganu. And then those tall ones way in the back, everybody see those? Yeah, those are trees. Then in front of the trees you have some giraffes. Those right there in the front are gazebras. And oh, look at that. Those lions are looking after a sleeping gazebra. Aww. Oh no. Folks, over here we have absolutely nothing, right? Yeah, because if anybody says anything about any of this, we're all doing paperwork for the rest of the day. So we're sworn to secrecy? Okay. Sounds good to me. Oh, dear! Yeah, there they are. in all their glory. Alright folks, I do gotta warn you, we are approaching the hippo pool and they are known to charge the boat. So hide your wallets. Yeah, but of course, as long as we don't see any bubbles underwater, we'll be fine. Uh-oh. Oh, these are some hungry hippos. If anybody has any marbles on them, now's the time to chuck them in the water. Don't worry, I'll handle this. Alright, cover your ears. Alright, we're shooting duds, just like my jokes, but check that out. I got the one in the tree. Oh, look, we scared him off. Great. Let's get out of here. Alright, now, no one's keeping score or anything like that, but according to my math, that's what, the second time I've saved your life? Glad somebody's learning something on this cruise. Oh, check that out. Looks like a bunch of chimps have stolen a boat. Let's listen in. Maybe it's good material for me to steal. Oh my goodness, kids, cover your ears. Parents, I am so sorry. I don't know where he picked up that language from. Oh man, they need to wash his mouth out with soap. Kiddos, don't repeat a single thing you just heard. You got plenty of time to learn to talk like that, like when dad's putting together furniture. Oh my goodness, and the monkey around continues. I mean, you hire a chimp to save a few bucks and look what happens. Just ridiculous. Not gonna let it bug me too much, though, because up ahead we got the best part of the tour. Talking about the amazing, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the backside of water! Let me hear you now. O2H. O2H. What? O2H. Yeah. And in case you didn't care for that, allow me to do you one better. On the right-hand side of the boat, we got the front side of rock. Any rockers in here? No? Yeah, that's okay. A lot of people take that for granted. Alright, it's pretty cool. It's kind of a Disney secret not a lot of people know about. If you guys look into the water through this stretch of the river here, on either side of the boat, either side, just below the surface there, give it a good long look. You can actually almost see the word gullible. I know, crazy, right? Oh, check that out. It's a snake. Anybody know what kind of snake that is? I'll give you a hint. Start to the P. Python. Great guess. It's actually plastic. Anyways, what's a Disneyland ride without ending at a gift shop? So, here it is. You know, let's talk about supporting small businesses these days. Why not support some monkey business? Oh, there's Ellie, the baby elephant. Everyone say hi. Hi, Ellie. Yes, don't stare for too long, folks. She actually shoots acid out of her eyes. I know, so scary. Alright, please remain seated, keeping all those hands, arms, feet length inside the boat to stay seated. And be sure to watch your kids. And then give yourselves a round of applause because you have survived the world famous jungle cruise. Super proud of you guys. I gotta tell you, of all the boats I've done today, yesterday, and the day before, you guys truly have been my most recent. So thank you. But if you guys did enjoy your journey through the jungle with me here today, my name was Skipper Dylan. And if you didn't, then my name was Skipper Brian. Oh, hey, Skipper Brian, did not see you there, dude. Oh, man, let's hope he didn't hear me. That would have been really awkward, huh? All right, get out.